Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's Phison product brief. I'm Chris Beggs, and today we're going to be discussing desiccant dehumidification and this fine example right here behind me. Quick review of desiccant dehumidifiers means that you use basically heat to dry moisture out of the air. And so what we've got here is an XTO air handler with the desiccant dehumidification system built in. Regen fan, controls, direct fired heat, and a wheel. So we'll take a walk around the other side and look at some of the components. So now we'll walk through the process of how a desiccant dehumidifier works. You can see the inlet to the air handler here has got outside air damper, return air damper, filters, and then a pre-cooling coil. So this takes the first bit of moisture out of the air, then the air goes into the section here that's called the regenerative desiccant wheel system. So we've got a fan up top that exhausts hot air, a wheel down here that rotates, that takes the moisture out of the air, and then traveling more through the process airstream, you can see the back side of the wheel over here, and then the post-cooling coil, because the air coming out of this section can be over 100 degrees. So with this simple process, we take a great Johnson Controls XT air handler, put all the desiccant dehumidification things in it, and you can compete with Briar, CDI, Munters at a fraction of the price. So it's a great product. This was actually designed by Dave Updegraff and Paragon Engineering in Harrisburg for a repeat customer. We built several of these for this customer over the last few years. They're a munitions manufacturer. So these are applied for manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, surgery suites, any kind of application that needs a dew point below, say, 50 degrees, where DX and chilled water just can't remove enough moisture out of the air. We'll travel around the air handler again to the end. This is the supply end. And back over to where you can see the regenerative process side. We've got direct fired gas heat, an exhaust fan, and a complete ATC Honeywell control system. Last up, we'll talk about the factory control package that you see here. This is provided by the ATC Honeywell contractor and Phison installed. So we can put in Phison controls, Johnson controls, Honeywell controls, whatever package that you or your customer would like to provide, we put it in, wire it, complete all the wiring diagrams, run test it, and ship it out as a complete package ready to plug and play in the field. Thanks again for watching today's product video by Phison. This is our desiccant dehumidifier. Visit us at www.phisonusa.com or come by for a visit and we can run test them for you right here on the factory floor. Thanks and have a great day.